it's cute. Oh, what's in here? More done. Second. What's in here? Ah. Whoa. What's in here?
Wow, that's an expensive store, I'll tell you that. I'm watching your sister, Bubba. In a minute. Look at that.
I can wear this for my party next spring.
Next week?
No, next spring. Thank you, Cece and Grandpa.
No, I think we wear it to Chuck E. Cheese.
I said that.
Oh, okay. So you did mean this weekend.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, good. Isn't it beautiful?
Yes, I'm gonna wear this for every spring.